Enti amba be start ball no be 8 minutes and a foul be course and ball so the engine foul say normal situation. E see what Kotoko half Kotoko player friend of my change jamina.
Okay.
On a foul Nsoatre my player back home. And then on foul player no. Who say because sometimes I wait him say anya shekro timinya draw up enti na o delay process because football if be quick break start. Say be a foul now pe go as say na na no so tin fa ball no. No ball in time now dey see na chi. So player ne 10 in no order so gina ball no enim. And there's a trigger before actually no Nsoatre player no the nine cry say or trepe or the yi Kotoko player no because on one na we twa no and then and no there some altercations kakra by because Kotoko player ne 10 no one funny easy or the before pia Nsoatre player no the Nsoatre player no so pia na back so pia na back no Kotoko players na na close in team menu any goalkeeper any justice blade no all the other Kotoko players na ka di mika e ba scene ho into omo ba scene ho no omo yi guy ni pie no e na obi the second on the left side into omode won sa no and on realize no I don't know omode won no a too deep into right senka okada mfa nenko and then the okada guy that wanted to take him no as a but police na omoba da aku count no omumru 15 kwa say
ewie yenim se ntokwasi obo mu yenim se ntokwa koso e wo wiase mu ba bibia ntokwa tumi se nanso nanu de enura de course wo Nsoatre de na agensemu na eba ne se ya obi ya wo de woka obi tumi tena asa na wafo bi wo na dwum no de atodwa obi so kakra bi a wate no no so de ne de aka ho no no so de atodwa na old Burger TV de ye se anya ne sa sanse mpani se ne kwata ne ba ta ne gina wono ne atadrodo o kata twekata pre kata dwongo ba yansuo e na be fawo ne sente ne wo se ye dom suko enti me no ka se ya bomode ababrekum ne nyina ne se ye nua be ma ba ko adodo na afra na ne dimpa ne Hussein ya on na ni krucha wisi ehu bibi kakra ekoso de ntia me ka se ye kakra ne se de ekoso doso da sani bi ne ho de ekoso nyina na ni krucha wisi betime ho nyina ne sente na ma me ka ne sa enti ana ne betwetwe nkomo na de ode na ni krucha wisi hu ye control fi se de suman ne ne de hu ye me no ene ye na ya ka nso ye so bibi afrim ne sente ntam so ye nko na afi ye firi nko twetwe ne nyina ase me no apeni ema washishia
me Joseph
misa nyame anda Roma
we are ko JP
ya de nyame ase enti menimiri ya na ehia ye twetwe nkomo no oyensa ntroni obo adwuma papa obo adwuma pa Hussein ye ni kama ye nyina ye ho ye akọ de eto ye nyenra ho enra na wo agoprama no so
na me
wodi wani kurotwa wisi hwe de na eko wada Roma de na hu ye
okay de me hu ye de invad na asefem go ye nyina ekose ye kohwebo Ghana Premier League match day 19 Nsoatre Mine FC and Kotoko Mobo Nsoatre. So particularly we the journalists around the close proximity baby a bimbe hono na say yeko so we went there and then before some I got to know say there's some other instructing say in central for never hono so we show accreditation crowd is still collect money from them and some more access. So my message say a lot of accreditation cards because I decided some requirement here me no more between. And then that was the earlier indication, but it could do hono that thing was resolved that the realm yeah faces sad so my message say BB say okay and the game near 10 then of course so I'll be boy against Kotoko Bono high in how home teams in far matches and then the Mirror Stadium inside and you could feel say and usual the supporters no ever in their numbers because it was against Kumasi Asante Kotoko, but then because of the rivalry and then I won't say rivalry because of the positions that two teams no omo wo league table no so nti na ma obi ahia 3 points no the pressure woman no na edoso now based on that no Emma game no shall say first half them wash it by end 0-0 now what that means ne say e ba sana na say ane den ya hodin nyina second half
and
because obi e per winner second half after the first half no 0-0 nti omo ba no you say teams na ba 5 minutes ref is na mind bon so the ref in the kind ba and sakra na team players na ba in this case na say BBC what dressing room na ba we didn't know enti amba be start ball no be 8 minutes and a foul be course and ball so the engine in foul say normal situation e see what Kotoko half Kotoko player a friend of my change jamina on a foul Nsoatre my player back and then on foul player no who say because sometimes I wait him say anya hwekra otiminya draw openti na o delay process because football if be quick start say bia obi aye foul na opego ahese na ni na no so tin fa ball no no abon in time now dey see na chi so player na 10 in no order so gina ball no anim and there's a trigger before kanti actually no Nsoatre player no de ne nan cry say or trepe or the yi Kotoko player no because on one na we twa no and then and not there some altercations kakra by because Kotoko player na 10 in no am funny easy or the bufuo pia Nsoatre player no nti Nsoatre player no so pia na back so pia na back no Kotoko players na na close in team manu any goalkeeper any justice blay no all the other Kotoko players na ka di mika e ba scene ho nti o mo ba scene ho no then Nsoatre players so on the other half so dimrika because many player no player and no be so mo nyina be share but the intensity ni American na o mo de bae no won say ba san na o mbe crash a ebe menti nti no mo pempe mo ho na akoma no wo so nti we pimu na we apimu na say de obetima to blow no to for nti there were videos even I recorded some who say goalkeeper no bobinum blows Nsoatre players ni bi do mo nine work Kotoko players ni bi and then fans ni bi eventually evaded the inner perimeter rap pitch and so mo so be ebinum to ade ball players ni bi so wo hwe Kotoko keeper ni in one of the videos that I recorded that you see say keeper no dimrika chesi a fan ba kwa ma ne doje akofa nsuo nyina say auto it was because fans ni bi no mo attack players ni bi so that was what went on and the game was halted omo chenchen game no so because referee and I so on team to us looking at enyoma na course no nti eno na ma game ne pause here na game ne pause here no na akwai say ebebo ye mo because there were some growing concerns say Kotoko for no kwa home mo biem go away team dey say obana home team ni you say wa mo biem o advantage kwa say kan wasem ye kra ebetima age 3 points na mo say basa home team no tries to do everything say be ya ombe ya bobo na apon so then the owner Honorable Ignatius Bafo, former Labour and Employment Minister, Member of Parliament, Bekum West, on a club near Nadia. If a facility in the United States, no Nadia. So, Ora Park and so. Earlier on, now Kwesia Pia and I just saw Ora after first Akasache.
Kwesia Pia.
Yes, also IMC, Kotoko, Entry Management Committee, no company for no, until he was there. But I'm out for say Kwesia Pia, but still, my man, into no gina VIP hono glass bi no gina anymore ti ba for wakoye in fact Satan na recording videos no stadium announcer na yes mo bia recording videos nti afi no man started o mani hwehwe o mo mbe suspect say e bi o mo recording so they approach one guy closer to me and I felt no I shouldn't wait. I couldn't wait for the whole game to finish. I decided to leave. So on my way leaving no enemy who say okay, but for rap from a rap park and so and then he tried to calm the supporters, the players, even though the supporters were not fighting. But football, no, self players, it's me transfer by supporters because supporters never say, then say now we say now, almost so they so I could recall me who set time I make on money guy ba could be Tietia Koko, of which I ended up realizing say it's why I Kotoko fan. Only Nsoatre phone be, including a guy that it is alleged say or match no or she jersey number 18 white near Chile Santos and when this guys and then some other people as or more presso I'm on person we yakwa ni pie into omo yi ni pie fa gate na eventually guy now omo yi ni pie fa no be one the second no omo yi ni pie fa ho e no wu ye like e no pie ye okay now omo yi sa guy no ni nyina na me ko ba won say o kwa wo be gina ne anoma so I saw say time Bafo were coming supporters and ordinance I sign chere Kwesia Pia say ombra but initially me ma dwena nkoso say na or patch say Kwesia Pia ombra but I saw Kwesia Pia first who say yes signal sign be akọ park no so he was actually responding to na Nadia no and then me nim the response na but the people surrounding him who say Kotoko no baby om kotena ye wo VIP ho no mo nyina gu fa including the guy that lost his life Nana Pooley no so in the midst of Kotoko no Alexander Manu all the Kotoko company for no mo ba no mo gu fa ko say into almost side and about for wa fa see from no into also from the me no in the time I'm telling me so mo nyina de o say no e kire Kwesia Pia mo say o mo ntia se
Okay.
Nti initially them nim say bi akwasi apia so omo mpon match no and omo say that be omo nti no omo nti ase. But later through the investigation that I conducted independently no realized and it was confirmed so enye samu na ba for wa friend no na korokofo first ono no ba so be rap first half no mo na rem nti say nioma attention abane ade nti no on risking rap pack
yes
until omba. So actually I saw Bafo, to be honest, he was not too happy. And then OPA.
Okay.
Before say OPA no yen and say HL fans no. And football was a sign language communicates a lot. Yeah. But we are the way we interpret it as no. And the a binum interpreted from Kotoko session no say sign no yeah of which I saw the sign no. HL say fans no I say on visa incitement say fans ni nye bibi. Oh, because in Kenya sign say mun Kenya mo yes bibi sir. That's how the sign indicates. So that was the sign he made. Now me initially I felt okay because he wanted the game to resume as a home team, you know. He wanted the fans to stop attention no on issues na cause na nke bi omunchi team na because there are times say issues senior resolve here omutimi bobo omunsema na omutimi yese na the fans na nya alert more na be cause so I took it from that perspective but for say that he was angry and he did that saying sanity the Nsoatre fans no emo omo hom so na de ombe yomonye that was how people interpreted it but it will be up to Ignatius Bafo to tell us what he meant by that sign language now. Oh yeah, you know, so I will take both, no. Now you hear the ABC. Now, after that sign, somebody and he was not too happy. So he was coming outside into a PF in a perimeter outside all Befa Kotoko session. Then, according to the investigations that I conducted, there was a guy sitting behind Nana Pooley. Or no catch me personally said, guy no Pooley no can say me there Ignatius Bafo anyane de inti confrontations ase omo yiyi ano inti fans no say football no so obi ni panyin bi yiyi ano fans no be interpreting it so they felt so there be wakasa ti omo owner already no before the match almost wakeka nsem bi already so ni TV so anya omo de Nana Pooley na wa film no anya omo de so based on that na before say issues no kwebesi no anyone ho because here was stadium ho gina ku feel say ni din circulate too much in a lot of people's mouth and then so based on that Nana Pooley like according to the investigation that I conducted so he knelt down and or saw the 9C and or pan and about for one so but that time Nana fans na the akoso so the fans reacted say no I'm going to say pacha okra na just where do own an attempt what I say and that times you can understand from the heighten of Nyoma SCCC so they wanted to walk him out outside the stadium football so no your football language is Ghana Premier League anymore either you bebo and I be you but mostly near UPI and I say but little did we know because I for the omo pieda what I say but little did we know say omo yi na pie he is going to meet another he was going to meet his untimely death on the road so now there were people that saw omo be yi ni pie well the investigation that I conducted HM said there was that guy I know Sherry Madrid Jesse Santos and then the other information people are gathering said there was a lady that was even involved in all those altercations among for the and then I'm saying I cannot confirm that because the investigation that I did independently me information from my court. So what I got to know because Mimi PA some catcher said I had the video so I had to leave so Mimi PA until on my way Nsoatre Kroma na mete say ya wobo in a second and they had to make calls whilst I wanted to rush to Brekum because by that time I was loading the story on social media and people know me I'm quite popular so say story ni nya PSA na attention ba me so it was easy for people to identify one crowd only so I couldn't stay within that vicinity I had to come and then me frey and then it was confirmed so I asked actually what eventually happened and they said so omuyi guy ni PA and na obi the second on the left side into the left side one so no say according to Nkofoche say hona nipa bia wa koma ho into omode warn sa no and on realize no I don't know omode warn no too deep into Rashi Senka Okada mfa nenko and then the Okada guy that wanted to take him as a now something like that but eventually no offer no or far no say so park in so no baby a VIP no one directly opposite baby a coaches ne technical team net na players am beba mu no enti ho na ambulance no and no yi na pie the opposite direction no be dey ade awo no na nipa kon de wo no enti okada ne ra eba baby a ambulance no before so okada na eba no ambulance for no for beki course am de sekan ya wo bi ana bibia wo bi now enti nurse ni oba no ni driver no rush to see say a wait some ambulance me fa na betima man immediate treatment so omobeduru according to the report that I have gathered, because as a journalist you need to do your own investigation. So omobeduru then they realized that the thing is becoming too much. So when Okada guy actually took the guy and then took him to the ambulance you can see from the videos circulating about the driver nowhere key nowhere near because at that time Okada the guy number but Omo was at where the guy was already nti no munyandru baby ambulance no no nti nipa nso ne sa akwanhia beto a o masa be di wachi once you needed their house and come fa honko and obi onim Nsoatre bi anim say baby a field no one in fact omo ye ne fofo nyina no ye mu bi kan ya bush too much far away from police station far away from hospital far away from safe zone as Kobasa bibi and na ho akoye ne ho amenam nti se Kobasa ye bo in fact ye se nwura mu na ade wani be bo a di se bi awunyame na be kire wo se faha no akopie baabi nya saa de a utumirika se o be che kwan so se bi obi pese o ye obi bi a utumirika sen we police o we ye hwan yo you cannot survive there if say home onkofo ne get so me obi bi a nti ambulance and fan, but then according to the investigations I did, she said he was pronounced dead on arrival because could do hospital. There was nothing the nurses and the doctors could do to resuscitate him and answer baby. And then I had to make some calls to the hospital, and then there were some journalists, including the guy I went with. That was Stadium Hono. So also confirming and eventual videos about confirming some part. Where we said the initial reports and indeed these were the things that unfolded from what I get it and the Mianka Samedi many who
okay na mami misao won chirechire mu ne nyina mu no mantasa wo kan aposifo asem bra na yeye koso aposifo di ambam ade na aposifo ni ho
okay aposifo no no more about it say no mu ni ho because they were very few. You see, Bono class know history with Kotoko, and at this material moment, if we are to approach these issues and solve it, it goes beyond football. What I'm saying is very deep, so everybody should listen, because you need the course where you're him from you Ghana ha.
God,
and it is because at the back of a lot of people's mind,
yes. Yeah,
even at the stadium, there were people who can attest to the fact say, even though a football match, but a man for can same be a against the two cans and it be for this side or this side, it be for this side or that side. So says I know many now mumua and my friendly nature and I know money free. So based on that, and no SI Emma we a security crown, I say no intensify security. And henceforth, good. Henceforth, I will plead. Says a National Peace Council, say government, say when you and will beat me resolving penny for us because and yet told on crown so social media are there any to say involve this our moon common crown brings that. And honestly, at the back of people's mind, even a man for consider working, insinuate say Kumase for Baha because or eventually this happened. I'm not for my examples and so that thing should be resolved. But on the police, they were very few into on the back of the amateur and I think security personnel but according to Kotoko Furniture they agreed at least 120 policemen were supposed to be present. But police now I could count 15 say all the police personnel that came who are more parking or okay, they can argue say police phone be by no share uniform, but then when the incident happened, so the police now share uniform and and the truth is that the police were it was more or less that the young father say police for but that police phone because they couldn't protect anything. They couldn't play a bone blow your bone obi ani person your bone obi on person omuku no during all these things Oma say binum nioma. Oma prepare bi. But obi a wuninti we forgotten about the one just throw. The Nsoatre. The Yeprano. We forgotten about all those things because the police protected nothing. Those who were there to ensure someone protected life and property, they were there to protect nothing. And the police were virtually like police of Famba. This is what I say. So that is one problem that we had yesterday. Okay. And the police there, in fact, it was more or less like no security. What I say? Because for me, for instance, how can including journalists, you see, indiscriminately say, oh, your media, where you're there, you don't have to record anything. Other your Gaza, and I away say your football match. Our public place involves Kotoko, involves officials, involves Ghana football, and we media, we are there to record, we are there to report. And you will be on a radio, it be a TV. So you are preventing say you TV man in video. It be a vloggers videos no use man in carry. And then a slaughterhouse and a wire means what I say. So police if one were there, but they know some ranya juma. In the presence of police, say nobody should record anything. Eventually, the official TV station that were broadcasting the match, almost say Emma, they couldn't continue the match. Official broadcasting, Group TV and and you see, one thing that informed my decision to even leave was when somebody prompted me, say, TV phone a trouble and who's a camera sitting all of a sudden because no more attack camera, they had to close and then we'll be unpacking the camera because camera board there. What was it? So I had to leave because I was sensing and Obia no was stadium Obia no name say BBC. This is a Ghana footballer. No name say BBC. So security there, it was virtually like nothing. Any form because I'm very ball.
Okay, per the akoso. Ewe your bob mutitre the akoso nray. Ewe Nsoatre Kotoko. Any Nsoatre man FC and Tamu. You say ye nyina areho. Aye di ho abobo. Ususu say de be mpa na say ye de fa ye bobo no ho a ebetumi aboa ma asumdie aba.
Okay, I think say Nyoma SCA here. First, in Ghana Football Association for somebody Nyoma Papa egu akwam. Na omohwe say yebeye. But they've shown time and again say omonye. And at this moment, me feel say abai mum. We Ghana Football Abakosem say government in the Ghana League, nye Black Stars no cry. Aside national teams, the government league in Ankasa government in the and then be by and see any private and a government jama football for no and no more. In this abide way into no officer football and a day uncle for to survive a young from the street and my uncle for employment, a changing families, a putty boy from the street in a boy economy and was abide Nankasa formulate rules in Ibi at the govern your football because I brought children and young running a football for no one to share you. You are by input to now only as a football for never year. This a bibana by on the negligence of penifone persona. Now by not charging penifone persona because the life of the people government and also protected. In this or the BBC on Sunday through that Obiwa, you can conduct your own investigation at your own level, but you need to answer. Say parliament because you care, they will take you to parliament.
Yes.
So you need to answer there. The ebe prompter my FF1 I put the writings. Why? Because the writings are there. One, Ghana League na yebono. Park na yebo so na standard. Yebo. Security ni ho. Yebo. We are not paying players. Yebo from. Face matches, bribery and corruption. Yebo from. Obi person obo wa ten wa aba park so anu wa bo. Yebo from. So there a whole lot of indiscipline and in your brain a coso at our mass centers and the FA anchor in any case on an answer or proactive measures and making sure say about preventing all these things from happening. It's not doing it. So the government should be involved and then make sure say ononso edin ani ko ho a mema FA na take action. For be kasa we interview a week the owu na wukwa the yabo no kwa the oye bone no on number bi obesa kra ba be ma won and the no aka na record so say me na media go ye ne ko obi o park ne so no me timi so what must say because that is obi to because the referee unti na me no wi no what I say
so no ma twen
unti be pon be to no unti enu say man for blame referee no ba me blame no among for say na ntokwa na see na ampa clearly that's a red cast near bebre but or the Kotoko for no more. Do you know why? He wanted to please Nsoatre fans, no? And at that moment, it was the best thing for the referee to do. In fact, now so Japan to Nsoatre for Kotoko to save his life.
Yeah.
Because in Ghana football history, minimum referee or bomb match, man last minute go waiting. Or trying a match report, not trying a drawn into bracket 1-0. And not trying for one is a Mesramo, 0-0. Bank up 0-0 and come kume. Tinam said that J1-0 said the Bayer Mepi, Timonian bought match the draw and cry. What was it? And a sad reality. Into a bit more as a red card and a ref in the man. At that time, I needed to do that. Said the Bayer because imagine some fans, no referees in need support. Kotoko support, Nsoatre was support. It is a Kobasa fans and the good referees in this one. What I could charge them, they will kill them there.
And a security on
and the referees needed to do something to save Omo. And yes, you can blame them. And Bremuno Nipa the red card. But human life first. And the decision be an or take Ibiano. In fact, almost happened to ground or coaching up to a more mabwa. Need the answer obey here bre. Now we're free. No, call could defend them. So in football, if you be match report, and then they all shut them now watch Obi and Hunada community no and the bet says a referee and no protecting the life. He was right. But say oh yes that just but one throw say now protecting what they are and the referee was biased. What was it? But I can only defend him when he says he did that Kotoko for 3 red cards but Nsoatre 1. Okay, and your fans and the feelings and your bass advantage the attention and my referee so. And I think that there were a whole lot of things all because when I had to say Gaza and Papresono, no man's land. Obi at me the opefan who the mrabi anya djuma.
Yeah, the uncommon decision so high old Boga TV. Me nua Hussein ena e share twetwe common. The course so e won Nsoatre between Nsoatre Man FC and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enra moja hwegu yi e ma nipa to na nanom wonse do. San common na ye si na enra koye no. Me nim say nye no nko an match akohwe bi.
No really.
Why bebre? Yeah. Baby washe match abedu de etwa to enrai ya ade wani hu moja ahodo na ye so ni ade de na wasu afrim ya woni ye nso a ye hwe we ti
the message bebre me personally say be hu me stadium e be che be am mu kwa na mabodwe full white because I had a friend who decided that was about 5 years ago say Ghana Premier League Center on Kobe because the tone was sunwane no na no ordinary. I know a friend yatina ha oyedagomba ni ofri tamale ne ba sunyane na otibofo akwata no fo fie na me chipin keke enti eventually even though ofri tamale no obeye bofo akwani but no mpepa mark no enti tamale fo ne ba sunyane be ball match na he see ngofo no say yatina ha na omso we honi even though oye bofo akwani wan chire mu mpo bro no etwa regional hospital. The one boy ni decided so no one sip Ghana Premier League park esubiem they be out ifie and even though me yen century ni but some boy met score line there me hwe ho ti me nko 2 mesra wo tifie a sonson ho enkope hwe ho so wo se bibia sesa you see nipa nkwa hia sen football tie nie nti wo tifie a sonson ho enkope hwe ho because Nana Pooley no ye mu bi di kankan on radio say so the boss certain venues he might not survive. Just won't follow Ghana League, and eventually he couldn't survive. Means what must say? Because I don't think I will call football stadium. No one team can support two team. I brought you Obia team can support. I wait team quite a man but how no team yes. What was it? Oko now say who are the Bia Obeka? Won't survive. Ye media folk credit ye Juma dear, and ye who sing Bibia, intimacy. Ye league no nye ball papa bia no mbo in fact utie commentary be da say emu ofe enye fe ba ko sei hwi ni ma okokora e be convince in fact omo a FA for no ko mo hwe bi GFA president ye start league be si no hwe wa match ndo ko ere na me utie me a GFA president in fact ba menka ba ko nchiro doma Nsoatre bofo akwa wanchi brekum ma bo 5 cents bichim 6. If we say current GFA president, maybe this was president, no, or her match was stadium be a mabosu ida. Until one out if you know where they
didn't ya.
but and then a child non seriousness about the thing that they are doing. Into one now, park and so who the no new or just on Peligini. On who into yeah, team. Me matches are married in Ghana. Say make a couple my bedu 300. Bedu 300. Is it easy for somebody to watch over about 300 matches in Ghana? Easy. Let me come and dry. It is because me cost centers. At a point there, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Yabo Ghana League, we are side the memory with TV. So, Mako be at 3 venues. And surrounding teams doors. And we share a lot of matches. We have to be 4 times for her. Asante Kumasi ni Akraba. Has and Kwabe 4 times. Asante Kumasi ni Akraba. Not to talk of other teams. Oh, inti Mr. a foot to a woman say, Park hono be unprotected, yabu free, yakun free. What must say? Create me accuse you wrongly. Say, what confess your match, and now you do a question from Bromba Bruno. Ntinko, Tenafie. Why? Na league ni say do so more ye ya wa be hu nyame na mbaba ka kire o meaning what must say and some ready ho ye dead zone in the me there say one almost match day 20 no o ma postpone but me kura na esa ban na credit can stop match no me nka so ntwa ye bo no but on stop yo mo ko card ye ko hyenwu na mo esa obo break on bo break na o mo mfa nyansa se mu mu akwam na on hwe so on be ye no sa mo mebo so mo start now tenafia now na so asumdua ba ekoso on park ni green referee di bo ni ye players na pass de omo ye de esese o mass cent ye mehwe a wa be but for now there try because even this season this may not be the last one. Ghana football na history bi say ye be wie na team be wie a ye nkone home enkohye what was say nti we this season cry and see I'm not prophesying doom but ye ye we show trim say we yes into obi asua bibia hwe ko bo mebo no
we so nam we so afada ho adwene say
oba me yobi na so say kotokofo ne say emma Nsoatre for no kram nsi Kumasi so mbebo match enebrekum Chelsea in the next away match or Kumasi osuro so obetumako Kotoko kra say ko Nsoatre pacha obabo Kotoko omoko sorry wenchi omne young apostles on next match obabo Kotoko abeka chenzo onko david nti afutu ewo man say ye born nye safe for anybody to say so ko enjoy bibia won't even ko enjoy we wo nti nko enra before the game hwe say match na ye born no Ghana Premier League minim say ebi a ball nya off field but unim ko nim say ye be yi obi afri ma ye fra ade bi substitution board uye ne say the ofri no wa red the obam no wa green na madane a kire hafo e ba cho na bi ni park ne so madaroma nti ye changes a referee catch we nya wo na we te say school me da say Ghana Premier League eno na bi ni ho Kotoko match ne substitution board ni ho a ye dane ni say Ghana League enya professional nko ho again the same board na ye board no no unse ntwa for be ye commentary a ye fa bibi team sheet in fact team sheet no kwa no a official document every team must provide e bi ni ho tin ntwa for no just okutu obi achi na watwero when start ye we ya say e isu wo mu 42 na watwere na wo dia corner na commentary so my way going I told my friend say ye media personnel can go me ko head na me ko he but I have job to do what I say because people are relying on my feed information and so I have to go at the expense of my life and it doesn't worth it at this juncture. It is the hardest truth but me will be oni me be I'll talk to you in the face what was it nti enya advisable the omo ye professionally
every ati for madaro mane ahwefo ye na ebeda mo ase wo bre ne adaje mo nya ma ye na ye besrewo se ye nkoma ayedi ye woni je ho ana wa subscribe wa like no comment e wo Facebook ne YouTube nyina ma ye na me nua Hussein ene share ya twetwe nkomo na de course e wo Nsoatre between Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene Nsoatre Man FC enra ya moja hwegu course ya ema ye nua ba ko ya dodo na afre Nana Pooley wato na nanam wansia de ho nkomo ena nne yediye de aka agire doso yesiro twa de amponyankropon be se yadom se de aka bia anso obehwe Ghana so na mentem ho ase ntokwasem Ghana moja semina doso ofa ha moja school mu behwe na ya twese kan na de bro kwabrane ofa ha ye tutu ofa ye wose kan ofa ha ye yesi abo ne ade ayese Ghana ayese Awurade ono a na yesere nse ono a omegie enti ne aka nyina ayem pai bo medin JP ni mo na ni mo akrapim bafo agye no dua me ma bo me cameraman Alesco ye mo bia bye bye.